It's a cloudy day, rainy day, right between rain. I decided to get out here and come to Mars. Yep, I'm at Mars. And I'm down here by the water line. The lake is still way, way down. And I got something interesting. I don't know what I have here. I know what it is. It's a junior police badge. Check that out. Man, that's an old one too. I think that says junior police. That is cool, man. Mars keeps producing. Let's see what else I can find out here. This just goes to show how far the lake is down. I got a 1938 wheat penny. I've never found a silver or a wheat out of the lake before. And it's because it's this daggum far down. So that is showing me there's a chance of finding silver out of this lake. It was built in 1952. So there's a good possibility. I got a high tone. I didn't even check the numbers on it. I just heard a high, deep tone. And it looks like I got a ring. Oh, buddy. Yep, no doubt. Let's go wash it off. Now the question is what is this made of? It was a high tone. Is it going to be silver? But all the silver that's come out here has been real tarnished, so it could be. Let me clean it up a little bit better and see if I can get a marking off of it. Right there. It's going to say 925. That is cool, man. It's awesome. It's a 925 ring. I don't know what these are, but I'll knock the tarnish off of it tonight and see what it looks like. I have no clue what I just found. What is this? What in the world is this? It's not an old US coin. It's not play money. Very odd. I want to say it's aluminum, but I don't think it is. It's got a little bit of weight to it. Oh, the weather's turning bad on me. It's starting to rain. And I got this mid-tone, and I look down and check that out. It's right up on the rock. What is this going to be? I don't think it's going to be gold. I think it's going to be a ring, though. What do we got? What is that, guys? Is that a ring or a ball bearing? Oh, that's going to be a ring. Check that out. Cool. There's no markings on it. I don't see anything. But you know what? That's ring number 5 for the year. I'll take it. It's bigger than my thumb. Cool. I'm still working Mars, way out here. Right at the water's edge, I got this high signal, and I got a button with a shank on it. Let's see what it is. Let's reveal it together. Oh, wow. Navy. Now that's World War II and older. Oh wow, check that out. I love this hobby, guys. I love it. That is awesome. That is awesome. Sweet. I've never found one like this. I'm gonna have to look it up, see the date on it. That is cool. So it's definitely not World War II. I counted it. It has the 13 stars on it. So, well, my God, this is going to be Civil War. Nope, I got on my phone, started doing research, but they started making these in the late 1800s, like around the 1890. So this is going to be around World War I button. But you know what? That is awesome. For a lake that was built in the 50s, to find that out there, that is just so cool.
So I took my headphones off to let you guys listen to this signal. It's a little choppy.
Let's see what this is made of. It's gonna be a ring. Check that out. I hope it's gold. It's really choppy. Let's go wash it off. Running all the way down. Oh, I can't even walk down here to the water. I'm gonna sink. I'm gonna sink, guys. It's so muddy. Oh, I might be able to make it. I'm sinking. Nope, not gonna make it. Not gonna make it. Oh, I don't know what I got. I think I got a gold ring. I hope. It's got some weight to it. What is this? It's an Indian. It's a chief. Now let's look for some markings. Come on, markings. Do me good. Check it out. What does that say? I can't read it. I see a K and I see a number. 12K? Is that 12K? Or 10K? It's like 10K. Sweet! There's a choppy signal. Mr. Chief. That is awesome.
So where I found that ring, it was weird because it was a really choppy signal and it actually had a high pitch in it. So I got the ring up and going over right where the ring was, and there was no other signals with it. That's kind of weird. Usually those gold rings are solid tone, but that one was choppy. It's real tarnished. I believe it's 10K. I got to get a loop to it. I'm gonna keep going. Let's see what else we can find.
Looky, looky what I see. Is that a toe ring? Or a broken ring? Oh, that's a toe ring. What is this gonna be? Another choppy signal. Mid to highs chopping. Might be just junk. Might be just junk, guys. But it's another ring. I've lost my ring count already. I don't know how many I found. Let's see. 4, 5, 6, 7. This makes 7 rings. There's no markings on it. So, I don't know what to tell you. It's both mid, spike, and high tone. But that gold ring did the same thing. I don't know what's going on. I don't see any markings, so I'll have to investigate later, but it's a ring. Looks like ring number 15 coming out of Mars. This is awesome. What is it going to be? Ring up as a high mid-tone. What do we got here? What do we got here? What does that say there? It's a tungsten ring. That is my first tungsten ring. I never found a tungsten ring before. That's awesome. Cool. Sweet. It's a good looking one too. That is awesome. And the fish are popping. Cool. Go fishing or go metal detecting? Oh, that's a hard choice.
Well, I just found a relic, and they're hard to come by. You hardly ever find them anymore. Check that out.
I just got a low tone in the 40s, low 40s, and this plopped out. Is that a ring? Yes, it is. Is it gonna be gold or is it aluminum? Oh, look at those markings. This is going to be good. 14 karat. Awesome. That is cool. Man, that is awesome. It rang up low too. Look at there. That is gold number 2 for 2017. So far this year has been pretty good to me. And this is the reason I call this place Mars. Besides for the water that's down all the way down there, you can't tell the difference by looking at it. It's all Georgia red clay. So far there's been about 14 rings come out of here, and I got this horrible choppy signal. Look at there. Look at that. Look how long this thing is. And I see a marking on the end here. Look at that. What does that marking say? So windy. I apologize for the wind. I'm gonna have to get a windscreen. Oh, that's awesome. Check that out. 14K. And that's a long sucker. It's too bad it's all bent up and tarnished. But you know what? Gold is gold, and I will take that. Looks like I got another ring. Check that out. It rang up as a high mid-tone. So what is this going to be? What is it going to be? Might be white gold. It might be, guys. And it's heavy too. Oh, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Got my heart pumping here. Oh, it's got some weight. Oh, check that out. I think this is going to be white gold. Wow. Oh, wow. Got my heart pumping here. Oh, check it out. That's going to be good. Oh, sweet. Yeah, it's a nice yellow 14 karat gold wedding band. Guys, put your name inside of it. If you want an honest person to try to return your lost item, put your name in it. But that is cool, man. That's gold number 3 for 2017. What a good year. Alright guys, welcome to the wrap-up table. What can I say? What an awesome hunt. What an awesome place I found to hunt. Unbelievable. I named it Mars because you just look at it, you see in the video, it's just Georgia red clay with rocks all over it, and it looks like the surface of Mars. Unbelievable how much trash I pulled out of there. I spent about 7, maybe 8 days or hunts out there, and the amount of trash I pulled out of there is mind-boggling. Just for instance, let's just put it this way. Besides all the pull tabs and trash cans and all that I've thrown away, fishing lures, I've saved the lead. This is just the lead alone. It's about 10 pounds worth. And each one of these little pieces of lead, you can't tell the difference between that and a gold ring. So you gotta get out there and just dig and dig and dig and dig. And it might pay off, it might not. In my case, Mars, it paid off. It was just awesome hunt. It's been raining on and off, so I get out there when I can. I had a few nice days of sunshine, but this is what I found: bunch of clad, bunch of rotten zinc pennies. Here's the rings I got. Where do I start? Let's just start with the good stuff. I got 3 golds. This toe ring looked like a gold ring, and I can tell you it's not going to be. You can see the plating coming off and it's copper underneath. And the weird thing is there's a small marking on the inside of it that says 925. So that's just a junk ring, but it counts. I knocked the tarnish off this. This turned out to be a 10 karat. And I left some of the tarnish inside the grooves around the chief to make it look interesting. It's a nice ring. I like that one. Small little 14 karat heart ring. It only weighs like 1 gram. Big boy, love this ring. Beautiful wedding band. So 14 karat gold ring. Guys, like I said in the video, if you have a nice wedding band, something like that, you know, put your name in it. You never know. Somebody might find it and return it to you. My first ever tungsten ring. Nothing really special. Tungsten is a weird metal. You should, if you're interested in metals and whatnot, look up tungsten, read about it. Really strange. I mean, they can't even put a value on the melt value. There's no melt value for tungsten. You can't resize them. The melting point on these are ridiculous, so it is what it is. Can't do anything with them. Can't sell them. Let's see, where are we at? I got a stainless steel thumb ring. And this, I like this ring. This is cleaned up real nice. This is a silver ring, and I guess these are going to be blue turquoise that are set in there. I like that. That's a cool ring. We got a junior police badge, a little cross pendant. It has a Bible verse on it. A little peace pendant. This is interesting. This is a zinc penny that's been punched out with a heart in it. I thought it was just natural rot from the penny, but it's not. Somebody punched a heart out on it. I found a 1967 Mexican centavos coin. Thought it was going to be a ring. Really did. Had solid high numbers like a silver ring would. Unfortunately, I thought this was going to be a 14 karat necklace. It's marked 14K, but obviously it's not. It's just gold plated. This first one threw me for a loop. I didn't know what I found. I found a lot of play money in the past, but I never found anything that looked like this. And that it has FM, fake money. And right next to it, I found a quarter. Those are cool. But honestly, out of everything I found, this has to be the highlight of my hunt. It's from the 1890s, and it had to have been dropped before they filled in the lake. That's the only way I can think that's the reason it was out there. It's such a cool find. But I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Good luck, happy hunting, and remember, you gotta get out there and dig in the ground, because you never know what you're gonna find. Like some gold rings, some silver rings, and a cool old relic.